We have a lot of creatives that watch QuiativeLIVE, and a lot of in our chat rooms, we have a lot of photographers, and that's our base. And I know that you know a lot of creatives as well. And what do you see as the biggest challenge that they face when dealing with the financial aspect and the QuickBooks type stuff for their business?
The biggest challenge I see is that people's businesses ramp up, they get busier, they get behind, stuff ends up in a shoebox. Then they get to and that creates two problems. The first is they don't know where they are from a profit standpoint. And the second is when it gets to year end and you've got to do your taxes, no idea. So, and that can get out of control quickly for a creative person. That can get out of, I'll give you an example. There's a chef I know in St. Louis who is a brilliant creative guy who does customized parties and events with very creative, exotic food. He's a genius. I sat and talked to him for a couple hours. But he's in a business where he's got employees. He's got people who are preparing food, delivering food to a location, serving food. He's got employees. And his payroll was a complete disaster because he was such a creative and so not a numbers person and so disorganized. It got to the point where he couldn't do business because his payroll was so messed up. He wasn't paying people on time. He couldn't get people their W-2s and their 1090. It was a mess. So that's an example of what can happen. That a talented person who's got business coming out of his ears, everybody wanted this guy, but he got so buried that he literally had to stop doing business for about a month and get help to get this all unraveled.
So how often is too often to review your finances?
Okay, good question.
What would you recommend the minimum?
I would hope, in my perfect dream world, that once a month you would get all your data into QuickBooks or Excel or something. All your data loaded. What do I mean by that? All your receipts recorded in an accounting system. All your deposits recorded. Okay? Get everything recorded. All those slips of paper recorded somewhere. And then, and I'll talk about it later, within 5 days of getting your bank statement, reconcile your bank account. You're all doing that anyway, right? No. When you run out of checks, that means you don't have any money. But if you would do that, if you would reconcile your bank account within 5 days, and you would at least get all your financial information loaded and see where you are once a month,